Alright. So, this video is for the activation sa inyong Manulife email. Okay? So, once you get that, your agency leader will receive this email. Ha? Madawat nila ng email. Karon, you have to activate that email because that will be used na sa tanan ng transaction sa Manulife para ma-process mo. And then, sa inyo pong Manulife Academy. So, step 1, you have to search Microsoft 365. Okay? And then, click login. Once you click login, sign in ka. Sign in. Then, for signing in, you have to use the email. So, Queen C. Pabelonia admin. Queen underscore C. Pabelonia dot com. Okay. Then next. So, you have to enter this password muna. Okay. So, UN2650. 65, 36, 36, 66, 30, 96, 6. Then, sign in. Next. Download the Microsoft Authenticator app sa inyong cellphone. Download na sa inyong cellphone. Next. So, sa inyong cellphone, of course, i-follow na yun next. Okay. And Authenticator, you have to scan. I-scan it. Tama. Mag-download sa, ano, sa mag-screen record. Okay? Okay. So, sa Authenticator app, non-authenticator, Microsoft Authenticate, Microsoft Authenticator. Kani, ha? Kani. Pen. Then, add ka ani, ha? Scan. Scan ni mo ani. Tara, next line ka. Scan naman. Ding na. So, na mo ka 73. So, 73. So, naman ay mo ka si mo 73. Kaya po tayo. Okay, done. Okay? So, wait lang ka na. So, update password na dahil kasi. Kani, kaning mo nga current password. Q and 650 and 650 3663 3663 6 3096. Okay, so the password is sign in. Okay, so na siya. Okay na. Okay. have to upload. This will be our email, our Gmail, or unless answer it out. So email that email ta kay ACD PH underscore ACD support at Manila and CCC service. Kasi wala pa akong ano eh. People's application. 383. Okay. Okay. So once you're there na punta sa Manulife Academy. So, ang ato ang pan sa Manulife Academy. So, fine. So, dili na ka once you're here, dili ka gen gen lang sa inadayon ang final o kanang permanent nga Manulife Academy. So, 100 okay? Kaya tama siya. So, actually, better life secure certification. Okay. So, daghang dili anak credit. Okay? So, basically, that's it muna for now. Para sa inyo. Ah, no, no.